Hi, and welcome to Tough Top Awnings. Today, we'll be installing an A&E Dometic 9100 awning. Okay, let's get started. For this install, you will need a drill, zip ties, a straight pick, and some silicone spray, and a red felt tip marker. Start with deploying your awning about a foot. Line up the hole in the end cap to slide your straight pick into the center shaft to secure the spring on the right side of your awning. Secure your upright legs on both sides to prevent the arms from deploying after we remove the roller tube end material. Now disconnect the power to the motor on the right side of your awning. Next, remove the screws on both sides that secure the roller tube to the upright legs. With a person on each side, lift the roller tube out of the upright legs and let it down. It helps if you put your deck of your fifth wheel away, but we work with what we've got. Now with your red marker, mark the location of your end cap and motor so we can turn it to the same location. Draw out the rivets on the motor side of the end cap in order to remove the motor. Grab that marker and mark the two attachment points of your material. I put an A for the awning side and a V for the valance side. Now we're going to remove the roller tube from the existing material. It's now okay to pull off that old material. We will use our silicone to grease the channel that we'll be using for our new Tough Top awning material. Now start sliding your new material onto the coach, with a helper guiding on the material so you can just pull it into place. With your roller tube at an angle, spray silicone into both channels to ease entry onto the new material. Now slide the roller tube onto the new material. Next, reinstall your motor into the roller tube and secure it with the new pop rivets. With your helper, start rolling up the material onto the roller tube. Be sure to let it hang as you roll it. Let gravity keep the material straight and level throughout this process. Be sure to secure the roller tube to the upright legs with the screws. Now we can remove those zip ties. Next, remove the straight pick that has been securing the springs during the installation. Now plug the motor back into the power source in the upright leg. Now deploy the new material to confirm it is straight. You can see there was a little lag from the leading upright leg due to a failing gas strut. We had to add a set screw to the coach to secure the fabric and prevent it from shifting. So if you don't have one, be sure to add one. And we are done. Thanks for watching. To see more how-to videos and learn more about our product line, visit us at www.toughtopawnings.com.